In our last episode, we checked out some old mining history in the San Rafael Swell. This time around, we wiggle our way through some slot canyons with one of my oldest friends on the face of the earth.
This could be the best camp spot ever. Every night, the best.
And at this amazing little spot, we found the perfect place to watch the sun go down and the moon go up.
Look what we found! It's Tim, my old friend!
Hello. About ready to get wet. Really wet.
He's back from the dead. He broke his foot last time he saw us. That dummy. But he's back. We're excited. Gonna do some canyons today. Actually, canyons for a few days. And we'll see how this goes. Hopefully there's no broken bones this time.
It wasn't a broken bone. It was merely a flesh wound. A bone chip. I pulled it out myself. You want me to give words of wisdom?
Yeah.
You know, there's a 90% chance of experiencing flash floods today. So we're just trying to figure out our escape route, and I think we found it. We're gonna climb. Shouldn't be that difficult. It's not like there isn't lots of jugs to grip onto. It's not like it's completely flat.
Was he talking about Brenda?
Brenda, stop moving!
The Little Wild Horse and Bell Canyon Loop hike is about 8 miles of some of the most spectacular scenery around. And for us, it involved getting wet. Thanks to some thunderstorms the week before, quite a bit of the canyon was still underwater.
This is where we're going real swimming. All right, we're about halfway in the Little Wild Horse Canyon. We're trying to do the whole loop, which is...
Oh, that is long.
Oh, that's long and deep, yeah. We're trying to do the whole loop, which goes through Little Wild Horse Canyon, up into Bell Canyon, boop, boop, like that.
There's a lot of water.
Yeah, we're going swimming. Oh, and that water's cold. Here goes nothing. That's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh man.
I know. It's all you can do is just go.
Nice shot, Tim.
I'm going back in. Here,
Oh, yeah?
get that camera out.
Nice job.
After posing for some quick photos, we were off. And thankfully, that was the worst of the water. The Little Wild Horse Canyon is by far the most popular hike in the entire San Rafael Swell. And it's definitely worth the effort.
Sunshine. Woohoo!
Look how thick that stuff is.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's right in the middle of the wash, too.
No, it gets watered.
That's a cool tree. And there's more. Yeah. Who knows what kind of tree this is? I don't. Do you? If you do, tell me, because I'm actually interested. They're pretty cool trees. Another big day today. Got to figure out where we're going.
Yep.
Excited?
I am. Wherever in this area, wherever you pick, it's probably going to be pretty good.
Do you think Debbie knows you're wearing her boots?
I couldn't fit in her boots. These are full 100% my women's cowboy boots.
Straight from Denver.
Don't put that on your blog.
It's going on there.
After breakfast, it was the Ding and Dang Canyons.
Okay, today, Ding and Dang Canyon. Going up the Ding Canyon, out and back down the Dang Canyon. A little more challenging. But Tim's carrying the rope. Got all of our gear in the backpacks. See if we can make it happen. So far, it's looking pretty cool.
To loop together the Ding and Dang Canyons, it's about a 6-mile trip. And after warming up on the Little Wild Horse Canyon the day before, it was just the challenge we were looking for. The trek up the Ding Canyon is steep, but with rocks and boulders and problems to solve, it's pretty darn fun.
What do you think so far?
Oh, I love it. This is great.
Yeah. Nice job, Rockstar. Sun's out, guns out.
Once you make it to the top of the Ding Canyon, well, you gotta power up.
I'm delicious.
Power food. Nice job up there, Tim. Made it through the Ding Canyon. That was awesome. If you're coming to do these, don't do this one unless you're comfortable with the little heights, a little rock climbing, and a little wading, because it's got them all. But it was awesome.
And after a short hike at the top, we made it here.
Going into the Dang Canyon. It's the start.
It's a juicy canyon.
Juicy is right.
Yeah. So handholds all along there, they're actually pretty grippy.
Nice job, Tim.
And sometimes the easiest way, it's sliding down on your butt.
A lot more.
A lot easier that way.
It looks a lot harder than it actually is.
And just a little farther down the canyon, there's a roughly 40-foot tall dry waterfall that's made a bit easier with a rope and some gear.
Yeah, it looks sticky. Yeah, but from there it's like nothing.
Good job, man.
Nice job. Nice job, Tim.
And then it was Brenda's turn.
Just got a couple steps.
And my hands are dirty.
This is the last piece of food. If we get lost, we're fucked.
Rations! Run emergency rations! Got him, cowgirl.
Surprisingly, this is where the real challenge began. After shimmying down a roughly 15-foot dry waterfall, you drop into a long, neck-deep pool of freezing cold water. And since none of us wanted to be neck-deep in some cold, muddy water, we crossed the pool this way.
Nice job, team. It's a little more challenging here. There's a little lip, or a big lip.
This pack feels like it's about 100 pounds. Holy shit. I mean, I don't know if I can finish.
Well, if you fall in, you fall in.
Just leave me.
Nice job, guys. Nice.
Grab some water, dude.
Yeah.
Could you guys grab my backpack?
Nice job, Brenda. Oh, slippery.
Slippery. Like my backpack on my neck.
Here we go. We made it! Nobody even got wet. I think
That was a long stretch.
Tim cried a little bit.
I cried. Yeah, no, I'm gonna sleep tonight for sure.
Not sure if you can see this, but there's bats in this canyon. Right there. Hopefully he's getting the skeeters. Nice job, cowgirl. We made it out of Dang Canyon. Ding and Dang Canyon. We did the loop. What do you think, Tim?
It was pretty amazing. Dang is definitely better than Ding. Which one's the last one?
Dang.
Dang was
But these
dang
are pretty
amazing.
cool.
What do you think, Brenda?
I liked them both. They both had cool features. That was fun. That was a lot. That was a bit of work.
And we made it! Woo!
We had a few days of amazing canyons and camp spots with my old friend, and then it was time to go.
San Rafael Swell, we're leaving. We're out of here. 2.5 weeks. Kind of just scratched the surface. Tons of stuff to see. But it's getting cold. Freezing cold. We gotta move on. We had a few days with Tim, which was awful fun. Thanks for coming, Tim. Glad you didn't break anything. But now we're out.
Tim broke his car. Not his body this time. Just his car.
A blowout. We gotta get back on the track. We gotta move it.
Not
Yeah,
too bad.
do you see where it's split down here? It's like split in multiple spots. Split here too.
Fuck.
We're doing some hardcore four-wheeling in Grandma's car. I don't want to get my hands dirty.
We're out of here. Circle wagons.
Back on the track.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thumbs up.
Success.
That's a pail. You get that too?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Time to part ways. The good old Tim.
That was fun. That was a good time.
You didn't break anything.
No, I'm thoroughly exhausted though.
Good.
I feel like my spirit might have been broken. Always a pro.
Yep. Love you.
Love you too.
One of my oldest friends.
Yep, Brenda. Like a sister. So good seeing you guys.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah. Sailing soon enough.